Once in a serene village nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, there lived an old sage named Koji. He was known far and wide for his radiant smile and unwavering sense of happiness. People traveled from distant places to seek his wisdom on the secret to eternal joy. One day, a troubled young man named Hiro approached Koji, his face heavy with the burdens of life. "O wise one," Hiro implored, "teach me the path to constant happiness. I am weary of the storms that rage within me." Koji, with a gentle smile, invited Hiro to join him in his humble abode. They sat beneath the ancient cherry blossom tree, its delicate petals drifting in the breeze. Koji began his lesson in the form of a story. Long ago, in a vast forest, there was a majestic oak tree. This tree had weathered countless storms, yet it stood tall and unwavering. One day, a traveler passing through the forest noticed the tree's resilience and asked, "How do you stay so strong, old tree, despite the tempests that surround you?" The oak tree responded, "I have learned the art of bending without breaking. When the wind blows, I do not resist. I sway with the breeze, dancing in harmony with the forces around me. In embracing the flow of life, I find my strength." Hiro, Koji continued, "much like the oak tree, happiness lies in your ability to adapt and flow with the currents of life. Do not resist the challenges, for they are the winds that shape your character. Learn to accept the present moment, and you will discover the art of staying always happy." Hiro pondered Koji's words. The sage then handed him a small, intricately carved wooden flute. "Take this flute, Hiro, and play a melody that reflects the song of your heart. When the storms of life come, let the music guide you. Find joy in the act of playing, even amidst the chaos." In the days that followed, Hiro embraced Koji's teachings. When challenges arose, he played his flute, allowing the music to carry him through the trials. With each note, he learned to dance with the rhythm of life, finding peace in the midst of chaos. As time passed, Hiro's countenance transformed. His once heavy heart now echoed with the lightness of a gentle breeze. Koji, observing the change, remarked, "Remember, young one, happiness is not a destination. It is the melody you play in every moment." And so, in that tranquil village, the wisdom of the old sage and the music of the wooden flute echoed through the hearts of those who sought the path to eternal joy. The secret, as Koji had shown, was not in avoiding storms but in learning to dance gracefully amidst them. Please visit our Yofan page and subscribe. And this is our second channel. Click here and visit.